When you have a crazy idea, then you definitely need to make it happen. Guys, I was scrolling AI Studio from Google. I think many of you know AI Studio, right, from Google. So here you can just build your apps. Same with Gemini models for your AI models. So let's say here there's gallery, you can find a lot of templates. And I found this template and it looks so nice. And the feature here is so cool, guys. Show me something. Look at that, guys. I can just ask here. It sends me there. Can you find a town or city with an unusual name and show it to me? Boom. Wow, beautiful. Can you show me top pizza restaurant in New York? For example, So these apps are there, by the way. These are from Google. They are templates. People can use them. They can build on top of them. And I'm like, wow, man, this is fantastic. I love it. The way, especially how it sends the user to the exact same specific endpoint, point on the map. So let's imagine using this, let's say, for your travel industry or anything of sort. But here, what I did, I downloaded this template because you can download from this code. If you press here, and if you can press on export, you can download a zip. So I did just that. I put it in a folder, as you can see right now here. I put my Claude here. And as you've seen, guys, we have Cloud SEO, right? It's a fantastic skill tool plugin for your everything SEO related. And maybe like around 10 days ago, I changed this cover image and I saw the globe and I was thinking Cloud SEO, local maps pack, local SEO. And I'm like, why not just build a nice mini app out of it, right? So this is what I'm gonna do right now, and I was thinking, let me just film it. So I'm just gonna share with you guys like how we can just build a very fast mini app. And let's go back to this. So this is the MCP Maps preview of the app that I was using just now, and I will say the exact same thing to Mr. Claude. Hey there, Claude. Currently inside here we have the MCP Maps 3D. So it's a zip. It's an application made by Google AI Studio. It's for visioning maps. Can you please unpack it and set it up in the current project folder? So here right now I just told Claude to unpack it and put it in the current project folder. But of course, could I have done it myself? Yes, of course I could have done it myself with just right hand side click and just extract these. But at the same time, you can just prompt it. We can prepare now the next prompt straight away. Now, also at the same time, Claude, what I wanted to do is I wanted to review in full how the current application is working, the prompts within, the mechanics, the connections, and everything else needed, because we will work on top of this application. So right now here, I just put a new prompt, just sending it in, boom, so I'm preparing and I'm steering up the next thing. At the same time, guys, of course, we need to ensure that we have our model properly set. So for me, mine for now, currently it's set for max. At the same time, it's auto mode. I'm gonna change to plan mode because I have a plan. My plan is to somehow get this beautiful globe and just make a mini app that I can connect to Cloud SEO. For example, here I'm thinking maybe like ways how we can envision our competitors. So maybe let's see, there's a local business, right? And that local business has competitors around. So you know how those heat maps are. Many people are hyped about heat maps. I found one open source. So if you want to have this sort of like heat map using data for SEO, let's say credentials, guys, you can also use this. So you can envision exactly like how let's say heat map or in general your local SEO for the business, especially for the client, you can know the specific data in regards to that. So there are specific services that are giving you this. I think you already know which ones they are. But my main point here is I don't want to reconstruct this. Yeah, I mean, I want to create something else, something innovative, something new, something with the help of Mr. Claude right now today. And but guys, if you want to have this one, it's named SEO Playground. So Paul Masson SEO Playground right now. I'm gonna put it also the link down in the description so you can have it also for reference. But maybe we can cherry pick maybe some interesting stuff from here. But for now, what we want to do is we want to build this app, this interesting and juicy app. Looks so interesting, so very well done, Google. Of course, there are a few more. There are like 3 or 4 more that are also interesting, but I picked this one because it's very smooth. And the connection here, as you can see, it's calling function, view location, Google Maps, and here query. So this is very simple to set this sort of queries, right? Look at this. So these are the calls functions in a JSON format that the current, let's say, AI agent Gemini is performing. I mean, it's calling using this Gemini API. So this is all happening inside AI Studio. So it means we can evolve this app. As I mentioned, maybe a local finder can be. At the same time, local business finder can be. And imagine even here, maybe even hooking a voice and say, hey there, show me my 10 competitors. Boom. Show me their rankings. Show me their SEO. Okay. Now spam them with emails. Well, of course not. I'm just joking, but you get the point, right? So many things can be done. The only limit here is only your imagination. And right now on the right hand side, Mr. Claude is asking questions. This review establishes the baseline. What's the primary direction you want to build on top of this app? So let's see, more map tools, agent prompt, UI changes, UI, UX. So currently what I'm thinking, because we have the Claude SEO skill, and it's a fantastic skill. So what I'm thinking is to create a mini app where I will put just / competitors, and it will show me the competitor of the current client. Let's say if I put maybe a client website or anything of sort. Or at the same time, let's just brainstorm this. Yeah, what do you think? For example, so just a simple basic prompt, just setting it here. How should I handle the two API connectors for future work? I'll provide the keys later. Other, hey there, inside the app, can maybe put a settings tab where we can put our APIs. And at the same time, what I wanted to set, even to be able for us to connect with our Google CLI. If that's okay, maybe through an out link. So guys, if you don't know, like Google CLI is very useful. So just to show you around here, Google CLI, Google Cloud CLI. I'm using all the time, and since then, wow, I'm not entering Google Console. If really, it's a fantastic tool that you can connect to your agent. So make sure you have hooked it up if you have anything to do with Google, anything with your domains. Google Cloud CLI is fantastic. Like if you can index your pages, you can even deploy to servers your applications, but you know already how the prices in Google are. That's why many other people are using other services. But here you can just straight away call your Gemini, you can call Vertex, you can check on maps, you can get your YouTube data, once again, without setting all those things together. The main point here, once again, I have set a plan. Currently, it's still in plan mode. And yep, he will cook like that, I think, for the next half an hour, 1 hour. After that, I will just show you the result, how this map looks, and maybe 2-3 prompts more later, we're just gonna have it, we're gonna push it so you can try it, and like that, I hope you got the main idea on how you can create applications or any sort of visions, because nothing right now can stop you. If really there's templates for a bunch of things, guys, applications, dashboards, CRM, you can find so many things also on GitHub. Of course, check terms and conditions or whatever there is, but if really what I advise each and every one of you is always start from a template. Yeah, there's a lot of them like that. You already have there, let's say, a body, a skeleton, a vision, because only you can understand exactly what you want. So start with the template first. There's many places where you can find those templates. That being GitHub, for example, if you're building websites that can be even, let's say, V0 or 21st Dev, Rev that app. Also, how many? Wow, there's so many of them. You can even ask your Claude. You can even check it, but mostly on GitHub, you can find most of them as you want. Or even just design your own if you're designing websites with Cloud Design, and of course, your Figma or whatever tools you're using. But the main point is to expedite most of the things. So here I already saved so much time because I found this fantastic, beautiful component that you can just scroll around. I can talk with maps. I can say, show me the Central Park in New York, for example, right? I mean, beautiful. Yes, auto accept, go here, bypass, put here, ultra code, let's go. So it showed me the Central Park here in New York City, right? Which is fantastic, also with a link, and it shows maps here. So this app is definitely, I think, the next level of Google. Maybe they're testing it out. If you haven't tested it out, guys, you can just go to AI Studio. So let me even show you once again here. So AI Studio, if you go here, if you're gonna go to Gallery, right now here, yeah, Gallery. Press on here, and here you have a lot of things. Let me even make it bigger so you'll be able to see. So here we have a lot of apps that made also by different developers, by creators, by you and me. So there's different templates for different sort of apps. You can even build your own with Gemini. It's quite fast. It's quite good. I don't know why many people are not promoting this, but Gemini is also doing a good job. I think they will also have something very juicy prepared in the upcoming August to September. we have many things, tools and MCPs, for example. Here I have taken the one for maps, right? Because I wanted to have something to do with maps. And here is the exact same one, MCP Maps 3D. In your case, maybe if you want to have something else, maybe chat with Maps Live. Here, that this one, by the way, contains audio, which is also very good. You will just need one Gemini API key. You can download this. You can put it in your website or an application if you have to do anything with maps or traveling, for example. Also, of course, you can check on GitHub. Yeah, basically that's it. I'll just gonna close this. For now, we are keeping this template, of course, for ourselves for reference. Mr. Claude has unpacked the application. He's setting up the app for us. We're gonna be able to open this app inside a window here on the left, and then I'm gonna just work on top of it. Maybe we're gonna put specific SEO skills, and then voila. Guys, check what it built. It's crazy. I'll even put full screen right now. And here's an example straight away even prompts you can put. I'll even send this. Who competes with 13 bakery in San Francisco? Boom. We have these two. I can click on these. They will show me information about them. Okay, now let's say / competitors. So it's Carlton in Chicago for hotel. Send. And we are here. And these are all Ritz-Carlton competitors. Of course, if you want, you can click on them. For example, you can know exactly who they are. And now let's try even something more related to a local business. SEO local agencies for attorneys. Quite deep choir, right? Oh, but here competitors, SEO local agencies, Austin, Texas. Oh, okay, I need to put that. Just give me one moment. Even put it has specific in Austin, Texas. Let's say local SEO, for example. Need to put a location. Pow. Guys, this is fantastic. Yeah, I mean, Claude vibe coded this whole tool. Right now, I can even click here. So this is one. Let's say competitor, another one, another one, another one, another one, another one, another one. Only marketing. Okay, want to try something else? Joe's Pizza in Brooklyn. Here we go, New York. Straight away, we're moving straight away there, and we know at least who are the competitors if you want to open a pizza place. Okay, who are Sweet Green competitors in Washington, for example, right? And this all, by the way, everyone, just for your information, it's hooked to Google Maps. We have all of them right now here. And can we make it better? Can we put more SEO data, whatever? Absolutely yes. Everything is just about time and prompting. But here we have used only a few of them. Here we used a Gemini API key, by the way, and we've used also Google Maps. So only these two API keys were used for the current function to appear. And this is a beautiful app. If really, wow. I mean, like that, you can just search any competitors. Let's say, okay, let's go. Can you show me top 10 bakeries in Paris? For example, I haven't even tried, by the way, to chat with the current agent. Let me try even to chat. By the way, from these top 11, which one is top 1? Which one is more visited in regards to their reviews? I never tried this, by the way. If it'll work, cool. If not, you have something if you want to build on top of. But right now, from the bakeries listed, okay, Me has the most reviews with 6,205. Guys, I mean, this is your full local SEO competitor analysis application. Full on in regards to that, you can check exactly who you are against. And fantastic. That all works. The application works. I will put just a GitHub link to it. If really, you can just download it, build on top of it, put some PRs. And of course, guys, this is our local SEO app in general, how to build applications with Claude, even taking a template, using a template for future reference, but it'll save you lots of time, guys. So pretty, go for that. If you want to build anything, you can always ask your Claude, let's say in a chat, hey, help me find some templates, right, on GitHub, for example, open source. Try that one first. If not, then you can also maybe even buy if you really want to go for that, or build it yourself with using Cloud Design or whatever there is even with skills. But this, using a template, it will save you tons of time. And guys, once again, just for the last CTA as you go. So guys, we have two hubs, by the way. One is a free hub, join in. Here we just put crazy things, good ideas, even let's say recently, just 75 places you can get your backlinks, for example, just brainstorming stuff. We have our free hub. Make sure to join. Yep, it's quite positive, it's quite nice. There we share all of our good and juicy ideas and tools and whatever we're doing. And we also have the Pro Hub, where we definitely build. We have a lot of brains here, and by the way, templates, everyone, just for information. And in regards to marketing, local SEO, so this is already like private in our community in regards to the Pro Hub. But hey, if you want to join, please join. If you don't want to join, don't join. Just go for free one. Or if you don't want both, then it's okay. You can just subscribe to the channel. So guys, this is our 3D local SEO application. It will find your competitors. The links will be there. I'm gonna just put a GitHub repo there. And das ist fantastisch. Have a good one, everyone. Ciao, ciao.